What's up, everybody? I'm here with my 2010 Cadillac Escalade ESV. This is the Platinum model. I bought this summer a couple months ago, and there are a couple things that I knew when I bought it needed to be fixed. One of them is that the heated and AC cooled seats do not work. And after some research, I've learned that underneath the passenger side seat is a module for that, and one of the wires gets burnt. So now that it's getting to be close to winter time, I'm gonna take this out, see what it is, see if I can fix it. It seems like it's an easy fix that other people have done. If I look in there, I think I can see the wire that is burnt already, so I'm pretty sure that is the only problem with this. So underneath the seat is this module, and then this is the plug that has a problem. This wire, this pink and white wire right here, you can kind of see is bulged out at the end, which I'm pretty sure is the burnt one. There's two 10mm nuts that are holding this on, so I'm gonna unbolt that to bring this out to make it easier. Put the front of the seat all the way up. It gives you enough room to get in there. It's still a little bit tight, but it does give you the most room that you can get. So I'm gonna take that module out right now. All right, so this is what it looks like out of the car. You can see this wire is bulged. It doesn't look nice like the other one, so that's the one that is gonna be burnt. These clips, these connections come out really easy. This one is stuck on. I have a feeling that this burnt one is melted onto the actual module. So I'm going to take this off as carefully as I can, hopefully not breaking anything. All right, so I just got this off. You can obviously see the burnt terminal in there. So that is the issue, like they usually are. I had to pry up pretty good, so there's not really that much damage. That stuff doesn't really matter, but yours might be stuck on very good, just like mine was, but if you pry it up, you will be able to get it off. For the plug, you can definitely see how burnt and melted that is. This one right here in the corner is also burnt, which looks like the ground. But that is the issue, and that is why my heated and cooled seats are not working right now. Looking at the module, it's really easy to take apart on both sides. There's these tabs that you can just take the cover right off, and then you can see in here. And I already started cleaning up the terminals, and it's not so much that terminals are burnt. It's more so that I think the plastic melts on the terminals. So this should be good to go. I started trying to break away the plastic on this plug, which looks pretty bad, but the metal terminal in there doesn't look horrible. So I think that if I can clean this up enough, I can get this to work. But obviously this is the issue. And if you buy this plug, you could just cut it off and put new terminal ends on it, or you could pull these out and put a new plug on it. So this is the issue. I'm going to try to see if I can just fix it right now by cleaning this up and putting it back together. It might not be the best fix or the most long-term fix, but if it works, I'm going to go with it for now. But I'm just trying to show you guys that this is the issue with these cars. And then whichever way you want to go about fixing it is up to you, but this is the problem. All right, so I cleaned this up just a little bit. Right now, I just want to make sure if it's going to work or not. Like I said, I really think that it's more about the plastic being melted on the terminals that makes it lose the connection rather than the terminals or the module actually being damaged. So I cleaned it up enough where I think it's going to make a connection. And what I'm going to do, I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it, but I'm going to turn on the cooled seats right now. And now the module did click like it's supposed to, and the fan is running, so I know that it is working now. So just like I thought, it's more so the plastic that gets melted on the terminals. So really any way you want to look at cleaning it up, it will work. Obviously, sometimes it could get melted so bad that you might pull the terminals out of the module, and then that'll mean that you'll need a new module. But if you can get the plug off and all the electrical connections look okay, if you clean that plastic off, I think you're gonna have a good time getting this running again. So mine's going for now. I'm gonna take it back apart. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more just so I don't have to do this again anytime soon. At least this way, the heated seats will be working since it's going to be winter time soon. And I do miss having the heated seats that I had in my old Denali. So this will help, this will get it working. If I really need to, I can buy a new plug and I'll put new wiring in, but I think this is gonna be fine. So I hope you guys learned something, and if your heated or cooled seats aren't working in any of your GM vehicles, I know that they had this style module and everything in more than one model. This is an Escalade, but I think it's the same on the Suburbans, the Tahoes, the Denalis, other Cadillacs, the DTSs and stuff. So if you have this issue, look under your passenger seat, look for that module, and hopefully it'll just be a very simple fix, at least to get it running and making it work. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.